Look, if you don't own over 10,000 coins of XRP, you're seriously slacking. We all know this is the real deal biscuit coin that will mint many millionaires in the near future. The more you own, the better. But keep in mind, what we're saying is not financial advice and just our opinion. But XRP is that sweet biscuit that will generate that 10 to 20x return from its current levels. And if you don't like biscuits, do yourself a favor and just grab a Triscuit. Of course, if you're looking to stack some more XRP, then one of the best places to do that is Uphold. You can actually see the back end here on Uphold, and that I'm currently keeping a little side chunk of it. But also keep in mind, I own well over 100,000 coins because I really believe in the long-term potential of where this coin could go. And as far as this exchange, Uphold offers a user-friendly trading experience, and customers can make trade via its desktop platform or mobile apps, which are both available on Android or iOS. The user interface is intuitive for those who are new to making trades, which can make it a good option for those just getting started with crypto. Unlike many competitors, Uphold offers the ability to trade within asset classes, making this platform stand out. Users may also set up recurring purchases using Uphold's autopilot option, which uses dollar cost averaging to help mitigate some of the volatility of trading in the cryptocurrency market. However, this platform only offers one order type, limit orders. Those looking for additional or more advanced order types will want to look elsewhere. Furthermore, this platform doesn't have advanced charting and other features that are often desired by some traders. As far as fees on Uphold, they can vary. While Uphold offers 0% trading commissions, it charges spread fees for cryptocurrency purchases and sales that customers make on the platform. These spread fees are relatively high and can range from 0.8% to 1.2% for popular cryptocurrencies, and can go beyond this range for lower liquidity cryptocurrencies. Uphold also indicates spread fees may increase during times of peak market volatility. There are no withdrawal or deposit fees for personal accounts, although crypto network fees might apply when withdrawing to an external wallet, as they would with any provider. We would also like to point out that if you're wanting to get started here at any point, you can take advantage of some sign-up bonuses and resources directly below in the description. And most importantly, we need to talk about security on here. Fortunately, Uphold offers industry-standard security measures, including KYC verification and two-factor authentication. The majority of user funds are held offline in cold storage, which generally means more secure than storing funds online in hot wallets. This company also provides users with basic guidance on security's best practices and how to recognize and avoid scams. In addition, Uphold employs a bug bounty program through Integrity, a third-party security company. Through this program, users can report bugs that they've encountered when using Uphold. Uphold staff members are also required to undergo background checks and participate in routine privacy training to help promote platform security. Of course, if you guys are interested in stacking more XRP, we'll have some bonus and resource links below in the description for getting started here. And lastly, we'd like to recommend 4 coins that we also believe have a lot of potential to increase in price in the next couple of years, starting with Engine. Engine is a software that gives developers the ability to create and manage virtual goods on the Ethereum blockchain. The idea is that by using blockchain technology to manage in-game items across many different properties, Engine can help reduce the high fees and fraud that have plagued the transfer of virtual in-game goods and collectibles. Towards that goal, Engine has released software development kits, allowing users to both create digital assets on Ethereum and integrate them into games and apps. Each minted asset is customizable to fit the desired platform and recorded in a smart contract, given the item's advantages of cryptocurrency, namely speed, cost, and security. Central to managing the digital assets on its platform is ENJ, Engine's cryptocurrency, and each in-game item created on Engine is assigned a value in ENJ. Bottom line, the price on this coin is very undervalued and could skyrocket at any given moment. Second, we have SushiSwap. SushiSwap is a software running on Ethereum that seeks to incentivize a network of users to operate a platform where users can buy and sell crypto assets. Similar to a platform like Uniswap or Balancer, SushiSwap uses a collection of liquidity pools to achieve this goal. Users first lock up assets into smart contracts, and traders then buy and sell cryptocurrencies from those pools, swapping out one token for another. One of the growing number of decentralized finance platforms, SushiSwap allows users to trade cryptocurrencies without the need for a central operator administrator. This means that decisions relating to the SushiSwap software are made by the holders of its native cryptocurrency, Sushi. Anyone holding a balance of the asset can propose changes on how it operates and can vote on submitted proposals by other users. Next, we have Polkadot.
Polkadot is a software that seeks to incentivize a global network of computers to operate a blockchain on top of which users can launch and operate their own blockchains. In this way, Polkadot is one of the number of competing blockchains aiming to grow an ecosystem of cryptocurrencies. Other notable examples of which this include are Ethereum and Cosmos. However, Polkadot launched more recently, is among the newest, and it introduces a number of novel technical features towards its ambitious goal. To begin with, Polkadot is designed to operate two types of blockchains. A main network, called a relay chain, where transactions are permanent, and user-created networks, called parachains. Parachains can be customized for any number of uses, and feed into the main blockchain, so that parachain transactions benefit from the same security of the main chain. With this design, the Polkadot team contends transactions can be kept secure and accurate, using the computing resources required to run the main chain. Users, though, gain the added benefit of being able to customize any parachain for many different reasons. The Polkadot team believes the design will let users perform transactions more privately and efficiently, creating blockchains that don't disclose user data to the public network, or that otherwise process a greater number of transactions. To date, Polkadot has raised roughly $200 million from investors across two cells of its DOT cryptocurrency, making it one of the most well-funded blockchain projects in history. Fourth, we have the Basic Attention Token. Most internet users go out of their way to avoid online advertisements, but what if they had monetary incentive to view them? Basic Attention Token is a cryptocurrency intended to create a virtuous cycle around digital advertising that is equitable for creators and consumers. Running on Ethereum and integrated natively on a custom web browser called Brave, BAT can be exchanged between different advertisers, publishers, and the internet users based on their web activity, and is intended to streamline e-commerce between all three groups. Users are rewarded with BAT for viewing ad content. Publishers can deliver high-impact ads, and advertisers can be assured their messaging is being viewed by a willing audience. The end result is a new kind of digital advertising platform powered by BAT. Users can either hold BAT, exchange it for cash or other cryptocurrency, or pay it to support their favorite content creators. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching it, and we will see you all in the next crypto video.